going to first start off with placing 1 cube of butter in the pot.
Okay.
You see your butter?
I see mine.
Right there? So take the paper off.
I want to eat this though.
No. You want to eat it?
I'm not eating that. Like that. So it's very buttery.
Yes, it's very good. Yeah, place it in there. Next, we're going to pour the heavy whipping cream. Pour the heavy whipping cream.
That thing is hot.
Careful, careful.
All of it? It hit my arm a little bit.
It hit my forehead.
Are y'all okay?
Yeah.
The cones of cooking. The cones of cooking, guys. Pour it all in there. It's gonna. Oh, it's okay. Kids make messes. You got all yours in there?
Yeah.
All right. Next, we are going to
put
the Parmesan cheese in there. Y'all see the bags of Parmesan cheese?
All of it?
Put all of it in there. You want your Alfredo very cheesy. Very cheesy, very cheesy. It's in there? You are making a mess over here, Lord. It's okay though. Okay. Alright, so y'all see y'all whisk. This is called a whisk. Get your whisk to the right. And slowly start stirring it, guys. Slowly. I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit. You want to make it a little bit hotter so the Alfredo gets thicker. But once it starts thickening up, we're going to lower the heat. You got to hold it with a grip. Hold it with a grip.
Okay.
There you go. I'm going to scoot you in closer.
Right here?
Yeah, step off real quick.
Okay.
Alright, there you go. Step back up. Alright, y'all staring it? Keep on, keep on, keep on. I'm gonna turn y'all heat up.
This is gonna be steamy.
Alright guys, to see if y'all listening, what seasonings have I used so far? For this.
Am I supposed to?
Yeah, either one.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah, y'all
Salt and
listening.
pepper.
Salt and pepper, great. Make sure y'all listening. Next, I'm going to add garlic powder, of course. Pasta has to have that garlic taste to it, especially Alfredo. I use a lot, I'm sorry, I use a lot. I like garlic.
Me too.
Oh, righty. Next, I'm going to use onion powder.
I hate onions.
Do y'all see the cheese melting in the sauce?
Yes.
I love onions. Ooh, kind of wanna scoop the cheese.
Alright, I think it's safe now to go ahead and put the chicken in there.
Okay.
So be careful,
I
guys.
ate a lot of it.
Oh! It's okay. We're gonna turn it down to about 3. It's okay, leave it. It's fine. We can clean up. We can clean up. Leave it. It's fine. You're cooking. Alright, I turned both eyes down to 3. They're gonna stir it a little bit more.
Oh, my arm hurts.
You're big and strong. You're okay. Alright, lastly, since we put that chicken in there, I stole my dad's poultry seasoning. So we're gonna add this in there.
So you stole it?
I borrowed it. I'm sorry, wrong terminology for you. I borrowed it. I'm gonna put it back. Okay. Alright guys.
It's thickening.
Let's put in the pasta. She said it's thickening, so we're gonna put in the pasta. Oh no, I'm gonna help you out. You can put this down.
What?
Place it right there. And just use your hands. Do you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Oh,
Place it right there. Use your hands. Just scoop it out. just washed our hands, guys. All right, stare. We're done. We're done with this. We're done with this.
Oh, we're done with that one.
Get the regular spoon now.
Where's the spoon? Well,
To the right.
This? You mean this?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Let's stare.
This one is more harder.
All right. Be slow. He is just making a mess over here, man. It's okay. It's okay.
I can't stir it.
You got it,
It's
boo.
too thick.
It's not too thick. It's okay.
Was I supposed to use all my pasta?
Yeah. You use all this pasta.
Yeah. Are we gonna eat this?
Of course. You're gonna eat it.
I'm not sharing.
I know.
Y'all got your own bowl. It's okay. It's
No.
okay.
I'm not sharing with nobody.
All right. So we have it all mixed in real good. Let me see yours.
See,
Can I try the sauce?
All right. So let's try the sauce to see if it needs any more seasoning. It's gonna be really hot, so just taste it from the spoon.
so this is our first video.
Taste the sauce.
I need some.
Your finger. What does it need?
I said I need some more of the sauce.
Does it taste good? Does it need more salt, garlic?
Garlic.
Garlic? Okay. Uh-oh.
My bad.
That's okay. We're cooking with kids. It's gonna be a mess.
Yes. So
You said more garlic? Okay.
it,
I need more poultry seasoning.
More poultry seasoning. The kids know what they want, okay? They know what they like.
I need this too.
Back and the pasta is ready. Does it look good, y'all?
Yes.
Y'all ready for me to plate?
Yes.
Okay, here I go. Ooh, this looks really good. We're gonna do a little bit, and of course you can eat as much as you want when we're done. All right, your turn. Ooh. All right, so it's hot, of course. Well, I want y'all to taste it on camera a little bit. Blow it, of course. Blow it, blow it, blow it, blow it, blow it.
It's so good.
Is it hot? Is it good? You like it? Okay, we're good.
Here, really, whose plate is this? Here, give this him.
You want to eat now?
Because I already got a shot of it. That's your pasta. He like it. That's hers. I'm over it. You did good though, girl.
Y'all did good. Thank you guys.
Y'all did great.
Really good.
Who bit this? Look, now I gotta turn it.
Now where can they see it? On YouTube.
August is when I'm premiering.
Can I run it back?
You sponsors, they give you some grill pots and stuff. You be doing good. They do that all the time.
You know, people from Memphis they don't say man, they say man.
Yeah.
I didn't know that until I got back from
Brady's been recording the whole time. All right, guys, we are rolling.